Yo, what the hell? Oh my god. That's crazy, by the way. How do I even see the... How do you open this thing? R. What the hell? Okay. Oh my god. What is this shit, bro? Okay. What's this shit? Oh my god. Technically, I can see it at my... No? Yo. Yo. What the hell? It's like... Technically, I can see it at my... No? What the hell? What? Yo. Yo. What the hell? So, I think the audio have to be like... Technically, I can see it higher bit. Let's see. What the hell? What? Yo. Hello, hello. Oh my god. There's like some noticeable delay. So, but I think the audio have to be like... Technically, I can see it higher bit. The hell? What the hell? What? Yo. Hello, hello. Oh my god. There's like some noticeable delay. So, but I think the audio have to be like... No, I think it's just my voice that is the weird part. The hell? What the hell? What? Jesus Christ. Hello, hello. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. No noticeable delay. Anyways, I think but I think you can make it the audio just higher. No, I think it's just my voice that is the weird part. The hell? What the hell? What? I don't know. Jesus I actually don't know. Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, anyways, I don't want to hear my echo like audio just... Oh shit, my echo is like kind of huge. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let's just open. Wait. So I can technically just see the chat. Like if I type anything, and there is... Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. Yo, that's not bad. I think... Yeah, I think it's really not bad. I think I can close this and... Oh, I'm gonna open the YouTube again. Yo. Yeah, you shouldn't like whisper when you talk. And in the ways, it's just... No, just press the wrong shit like out of nowhere. Which one is the one that I want to... Yeah, I think it's this one. Okay, nice. Yo, shut the fuck up. Niggers.
So we can...
Oh. Yo. Okay. Nobody's gonna see this stream, so I don't really mind. It's just to test out how it looks. Bro, that sound effect, man. Why you have that sound effect? uh boost, and I want to see like whether my laptop can even handle this amount of shit happening all at once, which is kind of a lot. Kind of a lot. Like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stuff opening at once, and there is also this timer stuff, which is let me just see like the task manager. Technically, I have like 16 gigabytes of RAM, which I think is quite enough. But ow, my lag. As you can see, the GPU. Oh, this is because of the 3D model. It's like 100% utilization. But the shared GPU is not much. But I don't think shared GPU have anything to do with this. And the CPU is actually is okay. Wait, actually is okay. This is
say that this program is working.
nice.
So we realize the crossovers. What
That's
we have
actually
to do now
not bad.
is we have to.
And now I just have to see this. Oh my god, what is this shit?
Open positions. Whenever we want to open positions in the MetaTrader 5, the easiest way is to use the trade class. And you can find this class in the trade.mqh file, which is located in the include folder here in the trade subfolder. You will find the trade.mqh file, which then
you will open the libraries. Is it? I think it's a libraries, but it's not able to collapse or expand. Wait.
Then in the trade subfolder.
It's in the include. So include and read. And there is a lot of shit and trade MQH, which is all of these. Okay, I don't understand what is this. Oh. Okay.
Folder. You will find the trade.mqh file, which then holds this ctrade class here. And this is a...
Actually, is there any way to take this? Is there any way to take this? Oh, yeah. Wait. No. Wait. Actually, I don't think it's possible because if you collapse this, the whole thing collapses. I don't understand. Like, to be honest, I kind of don't understand this shit. But then how do you even see like your messages being popped out? Like, do you have to use an external, or you can just open the stream? I guess like you can technically just open the stream. Like I can technically just go here and just open my stream and just don't care about the timer. Like I can technically just don't care about the timer and just open stream, I guess. Like you can technically just open the stream. Like oh my god, I hate listening to my voice. Why is my voice like this? Open my stream. Oh my god, what's happening? The timer. What is happening? Anyways. Oh, it's like delayed by like few seconds. And just open. Let me just listen to my past self. You can technically. Okay, I don't want to listen to my past self anymore. Okay. Let's just continue.
Kind of confusing file, I think. So,
but technically,
the easiest way
like,
to
how do you even know
this
like when a person messages you
open,
or like
close,
chat,
or manage or trades and
I can't really see.
Simply include this.
There's no really like some pop up or something.
And providing the.
And if I like put it like this, right? It's going to be, there's going to be some delay or something.
to this file, which is trade and then a slash and a trade.mqh, which is the file name. You put this in these greater than, smaller than signs, so the expert advisor knows what file you want to
was
include.
that shit?
So if you did this,
so we have to read the structure.
You then have access to the ctrade class. We can create a object variable of this class, which we can simply name trade, for example. We can now go ahead. I can't fucking
hear you. Oh my god.
Say trade buy, and we can open a buy trade if there's.
Okay, so opening a buy. Wait, I want to listen how.
Buy crossover. So we can say the volume of the trade is, for example, variable of one class. We can say the symbol.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I think the sound is loudness. Like it's okay. The loudness is technically okay.
Symbol, and we can.
To trade and on tick, like instead of printing, you can use trade dot I. But there's nothing coming out. Wait. There is nothing coming out. There is the C trade. We have included the trade.
Also provide a price, a SL, and a TP, and a comment.
Wait.
So we can say, for example, the price.
But it's not loading? And I don't know why it's not loading. Why did it include and I did everything?
Shall be the market price, so we can simply provide 0. And yeah, first of all, we also provide 0 for the TP and SL.
What the hell?
Then we copy this line here for the cell crossover, and we simply exchange the buy method or function of this trade class here and use the sell function instead, which will open a sell trade. If we compile this will already work.
Compile, but I think I cannot compile this. And there is type. Yeah, that's why. Like I cannot see anything coming out. There's something wrong. But there doesn't seem to have anything wrong.
So if you did this, you then have access to the ctrade class, and we can create a object.
Oh, is it this line? Oh wait, it must have this line. Like the yeah, it must have. You kidding me? Like you must have that capital letter. Like really? That's crazy. That is crazy, guy. My guy. I think this take profit we have to change this probably sooner by using like some probably input
class, which integer. We can simply name trade for example. We can now example 0. So we can say P and SL I method, but what we also want to do is we also want to make sure that whenever there's a oh wait, let us test this real quick. But afterwards, we want to make sure that whenever there's a buy signal.
What sound is that, bro? Okay, open and then start. Will this lag my laptop? Probably it will lag. Wait, it doesn't lag. That's amazing. That is technically kind of amazing. Yo. Yo, why does my model kind of lags? It kind of lags, not gonna lie. And this waits for so long. Can you not wait for so long? Oh my god, bro. Yo. Oh, yes. Ninja ways. What? It's not moving at all? Excuse me? okay, technically it's lagging. I think the problem is that it's lagging. Oh shit, it definitely is lagging. Oh my god, I'm definitely lagging right now. Oh no, what the heck? What is this? Oh my god, bro. Why is the trade nothing when here? Ah, oh, what is that? When technically here it says that it has ordered a buy, and this graph is not. It's not. Oh my god, I don't understand. I don't freaking understand this. Like what the hell? It shouldn't do that. Like honestly, it shouldn't do that. Oh, just freaking stop lagging. Oh, yes. What the hell? Why is there a mosquito here, bro? What the fuck? It's like not moving. That I mean, technically, you have the trade. Oh my god, it's just lagging. It's just lagging, and my laptop is having that like huge fan sound. I can't even see this shit, bro. Oh my god. You can't even test this shit out. Because it's just lagging. My guy is not moving. My guy, you're not moving at all. And I don't understand why is this like what problem is this? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? I don't understand. What's the problem? Why is it like that? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Do I have to change the maybe we can try the making this more nearer to like 2024, I guess. Or maybe we just try 1 year, like exactly 1 year. So that there's not a much of a problem. Yeah. Okay, now it works. Like now it has the visualization. Like before, it's like, okay, this is definitely something you have to do. Which is, oh, I think that's why it bugs because there's too much like buy orders and sell orders on every single take.
Or sales signal
Yeah.
that before we execute a new trade, we want to close a previous trade if there is still one open, which which trades in the opposite direction. And yeah, you can see there is a buy trade like since there was a buy signal. And now we have a sell signal directly afterwards, which will then open a sell trade. And yeah, you can see there is there are several signals and several trades open because of these signals. So what we have to take care of is closing a buy trade if there's a sell signal and closing a sell trade if there's a buy signal. So back to our code. We can simply check if there's a open buy position before we open a sell trade. Or
open buy position.
Or what we can do is we can pretty much create a variable here, which will be of type unsigned long, which is just a really big number. And we can say this is the ticket of our positions that we open. Okay, there is a problem. I think we cannot use ticket because it is used in the ctrade class already. So we can say position. or position ticket. I don't know, like this maybe.
Ticket.
And we can say if we open a trade.
In the dynamic investing industry, staying on top of the core concepts of sustainable investing,
we want to check if this was successful. So we can wrap this inside of a if statement. And if this was successful, we want to update our position ticket variable and say we want to have the result order ticket and store this order tickets inside of the position ticket variable. And we can receive the result order ticket by using the result order function of this ctrade class. And we can do the same if we open a sell position.
Wait, that's too much. You're going too fast. So you get the position of the ticket by getting the result order, and you do the same thing like for here as the sell. And what's the why? Like the reason is why.
Okay, if we did this, we now have the position ticket of the currently open position stored inside of this position ticket.
You have the variable. Result of the open position.
This to the comment in the chart, and you can see whenever there's a position opened, the position ticket should be updated, and we can see it in the upper left corner. So there is a first position, which is position ticket 2, and if there's a new position, we see that the position ticket in the upper left corner is updated. So what we can do now is we can use this position ticket to select a position before we open a new position. So we can check if position ticket is greater than 0. And if we are able to select a position select using this ticket number. So we can check if we're able to select a position. And once we select a position, we then have access to all the position
select
properties. So we can say, for example, we can check if position get integer. Position
it's too fast.
Type
it's too fast. I can't really catch up like row.
And if we are able to select a position select using this ticket number. So we can check if we're able to select a position. And once we selected a position, we then have access to all the position properties. So we can say, for example, we can check if position get integer, position type is equal to position type cell. So we can check if this currently open position is a cell position, and if this is true, then we want to check if we are able to close this position. We use the position close function, which is part of the ctrade class, and which we can access by using the trade object here. And we can then provide the position ticket.
Position type cell. Then if the trade position trade dot position close, and then position a ticket. So if the closing position, I don't understand.
Ticket
Wait,
this
this explanation.
Sell. So we can check if this currently open position is a sell position. And
you get the current position. Position select by ticket is this. So let's say this is 1, then this will be true, and 1 is also true. And if you go to position get integer, so we get the position type if the type of the position is the cell position.
And if this is true, then we want to check if we are able to close
actually a cell position.
We use the position close function.
Then we see whether this position can be able to close.
Which is part of the ctrade class, and which we can access by using the trade object here. And And we can then provide the position ticket here to close this position. If
Because
this
we
was
have the
successful,
position
we
ticket,
can
we
then
know what
reset
ticket is it.
the position ticket to 0. And
Then what the heck? So you make like if it's if it's a sell position, and the sell position, I need to understand what the heck is this. Oh yes, this help function. I love this. But there's no thing I can see about this. Let's see.
Provide the position to close this position. We use the position close function, which is part of the cTrade class, and which we can access by using the trade object here. And we can then provide the position.
No, but what is it?
To close this position. If this was successful,
so you close the position.
We can then reset the position ticket to 0. And maybe we can also, write a new information in the journal. Sell trade closed. Sell trade or sell position closed. So we always know what happened. And we can also provide, for example, the position ticket, so we know what position was closed.
Sell position of position ticket is closed. Okay.
And we can do the same before we open a sell trade. So we can just copy and paste it.
Jesus. So he copy and paste. So like, so it's like, when he didn't buy, the position ticket is 0. And so he skip this line and he buy. And once you buy, the position ticket is like a 1. So you could go to here and you will close. Wait, you will close the position? And wait, he put it at, where did he put it?
For example,
he put it at the, which is the up of the main signal. And here it's sell crossover. Okay. And then here, if you trade is sell. Also, he got make this. Oh wait. Yeah. It's like this.
Position ticket, so we know what position was closed. And we can do the
why he want to copy this?
Same before.
Why he copy this? Like, where is he going to put this?
We open a sell trade, so we can just copy it.
He put it inside of here. Like he put it at here. And what's the reason behind putting it here? What's the point? What's the point? What's the... So you sell and you do this, and here, okay, so you do for both, and here
if the currently open
you should change this to position.
And if this is true, we close it and have information printed in the journal. What we also have to do now is we have to check before we open a new position.
Wait, I didn't even see what you did. This. Okay. Okay.
position ID or the value in the position ticket
Okay.
variable is
Or
smaller or
ticket
equal 0. So in
less
this
than
case, we
equals
can be
to
pretty
0.
sure that there is no open position. Position ticket.
Ah,
And there's one more thing
I
that
can't even catch up,
is
my guy.
smaller or equal 0. So in this case, we can be pretty sure that there
If position ticket is like this, then only we do this. You know, I can just do this. Oh wait, I cannot do that. Didn't you use the control and square bracket to do that? Wait, I'm not using the square bracket. Wait, how did he do that? Like, is it tab? Yeah, it's tab. But how do you do it for the other side? Oh, it's just like normal tab. Normal tab and shift tab. Okay, that's something. That is something. What the
there
hell?
is no open position.
Yo. Anyways.
Position
Okay.
ticket. And there's one more thing that we can do. Whoops, let me rearrange this.
Oh,
We
let's do it for.
can also
Um. Uh. Here. Do it like this. And if. But isn't you should use this? Like you should use that, right? Right. Isn't? Wait,
also
isn't?
check inside.
Wait. This is weird. Why do I have this? I don't think this should be put it like that. Yeah, okay. So like like
Of this
like that. Okay.
if statement here. Or we can say if we are not able to select a position, then we want to reset the position ticket.
Wait, what did he say?
If statement here. Or we can say if we are not able to select a position, then we want to reset
If
the
you
position
cannot get the
ticket.
position, then
Anyways, because
why? Wait, why? Wait, why? Wait, why? I don't understand. Why would you do this? Oh, like else was ticket was to 0. You put it 0 again. Then what's the point of these versus these? Because you're going to put the pause ticket equals to 0.
it might be or it might happen that the user closes a trade or that a trade reaches the TP or SL. So we can say position blah 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 was closed already.
Wait, so the position is closed already. You still have to close the ticket because maybe you go to the TP or SL. Hmm. 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 Was closed already. Okay. So it's like,
We do the same, of course, before we open a buy trade. Okay, so let us restart this program. Make sure to always compile after you did.
There is some error, okay. Yo. Unexpected end of program. Unbalanced parentheses. Oh no, my parentheses wasn't correct. Oh no. Oh, wait. Okay. This goes open, close, open, close, open, close. Here, open, close, open, close. Probably it might be this. So probably it's inside here. The parentheses must be correct. Oh, what is this, man? Okay, wait, I think I found something. Here. This. No, wait, yes, wait. Okay, I didn't find anything. It's correct. This. This. Hmm. And the if is like this. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? What the hell is that? Is there still arrows? Oh my god. Oh man. And the fuck? No, this can't be. No. What? What? This can't be happening. This can't be happening. Where the hell is the arrow? 25 on tick. Here is line 1. Unexpected end of program, but the error is actually here. And the parenthesis is the problem. But I think all of them is correct, right? This is correct. Go one by one again. This is correct, and this is correct, and this if statement is correct. Fuck, man. This is correct, this is correct at here, and this big if statement is just this one. Double check. Yeah. Okay. And this else if there is this, there is this, there is this, and now the else is this. Okay. And if statement, which is exactly all of this. Maybe we can make it more nicer if we just put it like this. Yeah. And now we have this big if statement, right? Like we have this big if statement that is not closed yet. Okay. And now we can close this big if statement here. Right. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god, I hate. I don't think I hate this, but it's like, really? Really? Like, really? Let me just double check.
Some changes to reset the position, this TP or as the byte rate. Just restart.
Yo, this is crazy. Anyways, I think we can start here. And yeah. Okay. 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 Ah. We're exactly just buying like once. It's because of the position. Like we have the position. And also another is like the TP and SL. But we haven't even defined the TP and SL. And yo, what the heck? I mean profit? What the hell? Let's just keep going. Totally. So technically, they only have like one buy and one sell for like, so like when it reaches like here and it sells and it reaches to another part, it buys. There is no take profit or loss or anything. You know? No TP or SL. And let's just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, and by the way, I think a ticket means like a position that you open. They say I open that position, then it goes to 522. You see another open position, becomes 524. So it's like every position is like a 1. I see. And let's just continue this. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Okay. Yo, that's actually kind of sick. That is actually kind of sick, my guy. That is actually kind of sick. And the back has a result. That is actually kind of sick. That's crazy. That is
the program,
crazy.
and then yeah, let us see after we open the first buy trade if this buy trade is closed when there's a sell signal. So whoops, okay, the first trade is a sell trade and this sell trade is closed and something doesn't seem to work because we only see sell trades. So let's get back to our code. Oh, okay, of course, this is because there we only check if, yeah, we have to compare the position ticket.
I think I did that. Like, I think I did that. Yeah, I did that. Okay.
To,
Luckily, I wasn't like
check if it is
exactly
flow.
Like I wasn't exactly
so if we do
like
like
following
this, we start the program,
like the shit. Like luckily, I didn't follow what he write like word by word.
Opening buy and sell positions. So what we do here is we can speed it up a little bit.
If Allah lets you see what's happening in Gaza,
get out!
maybe He
Get
chose
the
you to
fuck
be
out,
the
bro!
answer. Today,
Get this shit out of my way.
Check if there's a buy position, which is then closed once
Get that
the
shit
sell
out
signal
my
appears.
way, my nigga.
Okay, the buy position is there, and let's wait a second. Sell signal, buy position closed. You can always read it in the journal here. Sell position number 4 is closed. Okay, so we have a new buy position already, which is not updated in the chart yet.
How long
Yeah,
did I
but
start
you can see here is
streaming?
the
Wait, how long was my stream? I can't even see like how long was my stream. Oh, technically just 1 hour. Yeah, technically it's just 1 hour. Yeah, like, I think I did that. Yeah, I did that. Okay.
to
Luckily, I wasn't like
check if it is
exactly
zero
like I
we
wasn't
open it.
exactly
So if we do
like
like this,
following.
we start the program.
Like, bro, why do I sound like that, bro? Why do I sound like that?
It is pretty easy to see that this system is working. So whenever there's a buy crossover, we open a buy trade. If there's a sell crossover, we open a sell trade.
Hey, my
But
guy.
what we already realized is we might have huge profits, like these trades here, or this trade was also a huge profit. But we also have trades like this trade, for example, where the market moves in the right direction for a short period of time, but then comes back and closes with a loss. So to prevent this from happening, we can already catch the profits using a take profit. And we can do this by providing a take profit to the buy or sell function here.
Yeah.
So what we have to do here is
But
we
I
have
forgot
to
how to do that.
a buy
I forgot how to do that,
TP.
man.
So what we do is
my guy. So at here, just ooh, that's crazy. Okay, charging up my fucking laptop, which is not a good thing to do because, like, when you charge while you play, maybe I'm not playing, but the amount of the computation power is a lot. Like, the computation power is kind of a lot.
is we take the ask price of the current symbol, which we can receive using.
So I think I should use this performance mode. I don't know if that actually works, but yeah. Okay. This trade buy, and above this the trade buy, we will have
and providing the symbol
this shift.
ask identifier, and we can then take this ask price and calculate it TP. So for example, we can say ask plus 100 points. This shall be our TP price. And what is always recommended if you work with prices, you should always round them, because there might be problems if you have digits, because the PC sometimes adds a 1, for example, at the at some point in your double, and this may cause problems. So you should also always round prices like the buy and TP price.
You
so what we do here
the
is we do the same thing for the SL. So we also want to have 100 points distance from the open price, which is the ask price, of course, for a buy position, as a SL price. And then we simply have to provide the SL here and the TP like this, and this should take care of the SL and TP placement. So we do
what did he say? I have no idea what he just said just now.
Distance from the open price, which is
did I write correctly? Technically yes. Technically. Yeah, technically. Technically, yeah. Technically, this one should be like here. And You have this, then you can write it from here, like here. This is the price. And SL, we can just use SL. And TP, you can just use TP. Yes, I'm
Last
so
price, of
smart.
course, for my
Oh my
position
god.
as a SL price. And
Oh
then
my
we simply have to
god.
provide
Damn, bro.
the SL here and the TP like this, and this should
Wait, how did he just delete like a front instead of deleting
take care
backwards?
of the SL and
What the
TP
hell?
placement. So we do the same
That's crazy.
stuff, of
Like,
course,
how did he do
before
that?
we open a sell position. What we have to do here is we have to receive the bid price.
Oh, what is this? Where is this? Oh, it's just up here. But what is a bid? Bid is like the lowest the person can afford to. No, it's the highest a person that can afford to buy, right?
Because sell positions are always
Double
open
bid.
at the current bid price
Seem
if it is a
good.
market position.
You know, when
And
there
then,
is like a
for the
mosquito
TP, we have
that
to-
comes up at my face, it's not nice. That feeling isn't nice at all. It's like a jump scare. Like it's really like a jump scare, which I really don't like. And at the same time, there is that mosquito sound, which is the most infuriating part. Like, maybe let's just say like the
TP
mosquito
points
come up
from,
at my face. That's still
the
okay,
bid price, of course.
I think.
And for the SL,
Wait, what? Oh, I'm such a stupid fucking asshole. Ask price is the lowest the person's available to sell, and that's why you sell it at the ask price. No, you buy it at the ask price because the lowest the person that's willing to sell, you can buy it from there because that's the lowest that the person that is willing to sell. Well, bid is the highest the person is willing to buy, so you can use the sell. You can sell that. From that, you can use it as the anchor point. So we're actually having to copy and paste and put it at here like this, and then we can take here this thingamajig and put it at here. Oh, let's go and change everything to bid, and we can do this. How did he delete like in front instead of delete the back? I don't really
we have
understand.
to add the points.
Yo, this is the whole stream. My eyes are just closed, like really like small, like half closed. No, I don't really want.
Because the
like
SL is always
like
above
okay,
the
my
current
eyes are
price
like
for a sell position.
okay,
and
like my eyes are not that freaking small, but I don't know why. But the model itself
it is
is
the
like
other way
it's
around for a
closing
buy
his
position.
eyes
Make sure to
when
then
I'm opening my eyes, which just doesn't make sense. It's like sometimes it is like half closed, while like I'm fully open. Like my eyes are fully open, but the model is the eyes is half closed. Like you like that's kind of offensive, bro. But not gonna lie, that's
update
kind of
these
offensive. But I don't really mind. But that's kind of offensive, man.
parameters for your buy and sell function by providing the SL and TP variables that we just created here. So if we compile this and restart the program, we can then see that there is a SL and TP placed whenever a trade is opened. So let's speed it up a little bit, and yeah, it always takes some time for the tester to load.
If you want to understand how
Oh
things
my
work,
god,
especially
it's
these
fucking
days, this
AI.
game is for you. You're not
Fucking
just playing, you're actually
no.
learning how to build simple.
The person, look at that person's neck. If you ever to see like just now, it's not.
So what
It's
we
like deformed. Like that's not even a real person. Like that's a freaking AI.
want to do here is we
Like
want to check
who in the right mind
if
would
there's ATP
play a
and SL,
game
and
that
this is indeed
has
happening. So we
AI
have
as
ATP and
ads?
SL placed.
Like I
whenever
would
there's
not
a trade
download
open.
that
And
game
yeah,
if
you can now
I
go
see
ahead and
AI
use this tester
ads
to make
being
backtest.
pushed.
Because
Oh my
whenever
god,
you
that's a
test,
lot of buy
you
and
of
sell.
course receive all the information. For example, in the graph, or if you end this test, then you will have a another tab here which shows all the important key figures. So you can just go ahead and take this program here and yeah, test the MACD strategy. Yeah, and you can figure out if it is better to use ATP and SL, or if it is maybe better to simply yeah use the basic MACD strategy. So and
Okay, let's try. Let's try, my guy. Let's try. Let's try, my guy. So it was like oh my god, there's a lot of lost trades, more than profit trades. Anyways, the Sharper ratio is like 0.82. Like I will remember that. And let's just try it again. Oh my god, right now it's like so fast. And why isn't it buying any shit? It's not buying any shit. Hmm. Oh my god. Why isn't it buying any shit? Like I didn't do anything. Like I didn't do anything. Okay, I didn't do anything. I literally just put this. And that's all. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, there must be some kind of problem. Wait, I think there's some kind of problem. Because usually it works. Wait, what? No way. Invalid stops. What does invalid stops mean? What does an invalid stop mean? What does an invalid stop mean?
for your buy above the current price for
Wait. I didn't do anything different. I didn't do anything different. Look at this.
a sell position.
It's literally what the tutorial of this video is, you know? There's nothing different.
And yeah, it is the other way around for a buy position. Make sure to then update these parameters for your buy and sell function by providing the SL and TP variables that we just created here. So if we compile
take profit is minus Okay, let's say you make a sell order. If you make a sell order, take profit. No. Wait. Why? Why is the stop loss plus? Sell is short. Short when the price is higher, you lose money. And so that is the stop loss. Okay, I understand. Okay. And when it's take profit for a buy position, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, I understand now. Okay. Hey, yo, my eyes are deceiving me. My eyes are deceiving me, my guy. Order perform. Oh my god. And another. Oh, what the hell? Just continue. But it from the looks of things, right? The stop loss and take profit feels like it's wait. What was that? What is this? What is this? What is this? Why is there so many grouped together? What? What is that? What is that? What is this? What is this? I thought, wait, I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, let's try to just not include this, right? And just make it as 0. Like, we make it as 0. And another is here. Like, we make this to 0. And let's compile. And let's try. And does it do that friggin' stupid arrow again? It doesn't? So why is it that only take profit? Like when you put take profit and the stop loss, only then it does that. Yeah, wait. Isn't it kind of weird? Isn't it kind of weird that it does that? Isn't it kind of weird? Isn't it kind of weird?
Compile this and restart the program, we can then see that there is a SLNTP placed whenever a trade is opened. So let's speed it up a little bit, and it always takes some time for the tester to load. So what we want to do here is we want to check if there's a TP and a SL, and this is indeed happening. So we have a TP and SL placed.
Yeah, wait.
Whenever there's
let's look at his screen right here. You can also see the same thing, right? There's like a huge amount of trades happening like at the same bar. Right?
And yeah, you
wait, look. There's a lot of trade happening in the same bar.
Use this tester to make backtest, because whenever you test, you of course receive all the information, for example, in the graph, or if you end this test, then you will have another tab here which shows all the important key figures. So you can just go ahead and take this program here and test the MACD strategy. Yeah, and you can figure out if it is better to use ATP and SL, or if it is maybe better to simply use the basic MACD strategy. So and what you can also do is you can also play around with the MACD and SL values. For example, we could say I want to have a bigger TP of, for example, 500 points. So I simply adjust the calculation here, and if I compile this and restart the program, you will then see that the TP is far away and the SL is pretty close. So we have a higher chance than we risk. So wait a second for the first trade to open, and you can see the TP is rather far away and the SL is really close. So this might also be a good solution. So yeah, I mean, you have to make sure that the TP is reached. This was maybe a little bit too far away, but yeah, you can already see you can play around with this system as soon as you created a basic skeleton for the strategy. And this was really easy. It was under 100 lines of code. Make sure to copy everything as I did here to make sure that you receive the same program. And yeah, then just go ahead, test it, play around with the system, and yeah, maybe you'll find settings or a simple time frame combination that works for you and that generates profits. So let's talk about this program just one more time. First of all, we have to include the trade.mqh file to
Bro, my freaking screen is like lagging. Like it's lagging. I wanna see let's see. Bam. See you back my stream. And I want to see whether my stream can be recorded back. You know, it's like, am I able to watch back my stream? See you back my stream. And why do I sound like that? And I want to see whether my stream can be recorded back. You know, it's like, am I able to watch back my stream? See you back my stream. And why do I sound like that? And I want to see whether my stream can. Jesus, okay. Why? There's something wrong with this. There is obviously something wrong with this. Oh wait, I didn't even see how bad was I? 1 hour. 1 hour. And yeah. Damn.
to get access to the C trade class. Make sure that you write these smaller than greater than sign and the correct path, because otherwise you would get an error and you are unable to include this C trade class. Then we create two integer variables on the global scale, which is the handle variable for our IMACD return value, which is the handle for the MACD indicator. And then we have another integer variable, which is the total amount of bars inside of a chart, because we want to keep track of new bars appearing in the chart. So yeah, we have two more global variables, which is the C trade class variable, so an object variable which is named trade and which is of type C trade, and then we have a unsigned long, which is just a really big number, variable which is called position ticket. So in our onInit function, which is called whenever the program starts, we then create a MACD handle. So we provide all the information to tell the PC what exact MACD we want to use for this program. And if you adjust these values, the output of your test would already be different. So you can play around with these values here to use a different MACD indicators to have different outputs. Maybe it would be better to have a faster MACD or a slower MACD. And you can adjust the values and you will, of course, receive different outputs. Then, we initialize the bars total variable here because we do not want to calculate as soon as the test starts. We simply want to calculate if there's a new bar. And in the onTick function, which is called whenever there's a new tick on the chart, we then check if the current amount of bars in the chart is greater than the value stored in the bars total variable.
The bars, if the current bars is greater than the total bars, and the bars total equals the bars.
If this is true, then chart, we then check if the current amount of bars in the chart is greater than the value stored in the bars total variable. If this is true, then we want to update the bars total variable. And we want to make all the necessary calculations.
Wait a second.
We want to update the bars total variable.
Wait a second. This thing, it's everything inside of here. Wait a second. Did I see wrong? I probably see wrong. Wait a second.
And we want to make all the necessary
So, wait, so, where the hell is he right now? He's like here, and the whole thing, like, wait, I really have something wrong. This if bars.
Calculations to check if
does it cover the whole thing? Like, does it cover the whole thing? Like, does it cover the whole thing? I think so. Wait, I think so. I think it does. Yo, wait. Did I really? Oh, wait. Something's wrong. Wait. So, ibars double copy buffer and this, and we have this, and then we have an else. Wait, where is the else? Where is the else? Else is supposed to be here, and I didn't include this. Wait, wait. Okay, wait. Well, wait. That is weird. Why did am I hallucinating or something? No, wait a second. Yeah, I think I'm hallucinating. Oh shit. Post ticket. Wait, I am hallucinating. Wait. I am hallucinating a lot right now. But wait, yeah. Is it the reason why? Like, is it the reason why that it like opened a lot of positions? Because of this and the bars
First of all,
total?
we have to receive the MACD values for the last two
Let's
bars.
just see the okay.
Use the copy buffer function to achieve this. And we provide the mainline and signal line identifier to tell the PC what exact values we want to receive from this MACD indicator, which is identified by the handle that we can provide here. And we store the calculated values inside of two arrays here that we created, and they are called MACD and signal. And we can then use the values inside of this these arrays and we can access them by using the indexes, we can use these values to check if there was a crossover. So if we have a buy crossover, we first of all check if there is an open position. And if there's no open position, we reset the position ticket number to 0. And if there is a
if there is a position, then we have the position ticket is 0. If it's able to close, if the position close, so you close the position. Okay, let's see what is explaining.
And we can access them by using the indexes. We can use these values to check if there was a crossover. So if we have a buy crossover, we first of all check if there is an open position. And if there's no open position, we reset the position ticket number to 0.
Oh, so when you want to buy, you see whether there is a position that is already open. Like if there is, then you close the position. So like once you close the position, then you can start to actually buy. So this one is when the position type is sell, then you do this, or the position type is buy, but this is sell. And then you close this ticket. But if you cannot close, which means like the position ticket is this, and it's this. No, it's like there is the position ticket, but there is no position selected by ticket. I need to understand what is this. I think it's this and then this. Position selected by ticket, which is like position select by ticket. It selects an open position to work based on the ticket number specified in the position. If it's successful, you return true. You return false if the function call failed. If the function failed, call get last error or error detail. So it's like if there is an open position, right? This basically means if there is an open position. So if this position ticket is an open position, then you check whether this open position is a sell, and then you close this position and you say it's closed, and then you take this position ticket will now become 0. Or if not, is this an open position? No, because it went through the take a profit, or it went through the stop loss, but the position ticket is still greater than 0. Then you say that this was closed. Position of something has already closed. And then you can do this. So before that, the take profit, it already went through, and I didn't do the pos ticket equals 0. So it just keeps going on and on. I think that is how it works. Or not. Basically,
and if there is
I don't know.
Open position, we check if this is a sell position, and if it is a sell position, we use the position close function, which is part of the ctrade class, and we can provide a position ticket, which is of course the position ticket that is stored inside of our position ticket variable here to close a existing sell position. If this was successful, we then reset the position ticket variable. Afterwards, we check if the position ticket variable is smaller or equals 0, and if this is true, we then calculate
if the position ticket less than 0 is then equals 0. If it's true, you have the take profit and stop loss, and you have the if it's buy. So if it's the buy, that's a very weird. I don't know. Pos ticket equals the trade dot result order. So it's like once you buy, you do this pos ticket is the result order of this trade, the order of this trade. Okay, so this will be an integer.
the TP and SL for a trade, and we use the buy function, which is also part of the ctrade class, to open a buy position in the current symbol. And make sure to play around with these values here. For example, you can adjust the volume. You can say you want.
You can adjust the volume. Okay.
Trade a little bit a smaller volume, or you can say you want to provide different TP or SL values, so just go ahead and adjust these values here. Same is possible, of course, for the sell crossover. You can also adjust the TP and SL price.
Wait. Here. Okay.
Yes, here you can also adjust the lot size here, and yeah, you can see what changes
wait here
for your testing result. And yeah,
look at this. There is nothing here. There is nothing here. Oh my god, he has 2 of this. But in here, there is nothing. What the fuck? What have I done wrong? Oh my god, though. Oh! I see now. So, the problem arises. Oh shit. The problem arises is that this and this and then this. That's it. That is it. Wait a second. Let us compile, and now we will try it again. Wait a second. Does it still have that weird bugged out shit? I think not. I think no. Like, I don't think it has that bug out shit. Let's try continuation and see how it looks like. Ouch. Yeah, it's... Well, damn, my guy. Anyways.
In the end, we simply have a chart comment, which is just a information in the chart in the upper left corner, so we always know what the program does. Okay, I think this was a really cool program, really short, using the MACD indicator to check if it is a profitable system.
That's crazy, bro.
So make sure to make your own testing and your own adjustments to this program to find your perfect setting. If you want to learn more about automated trading in the MetaTrader 5, make sure to check out the first link in the description, which is a fully complete course on MetaTrader 5 programming, where we talk about basic topics like variables and classes in much more detail. So for this video, it took me like maybe 30 minutes to explain a whole program, but in the MetaTrader 5 masterclass, it would take me like 30 minutes to explain everything you need to know about variables. So it is far more detailed. You really get deep into the process of writing automated trading strategies for the MetaTrader 5, and I guarantee that you will write your own programs after finishing this course. So go ahead, check it out, and I hope that you can use this program. Wish you all the best, good luck, and good trades. I'm out.
That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, now we will just pick this. Oh, okay, I'm not going to open my sticky notes. But let's just like we have notepad. Let's take a notepad. I am just trying to remember this down. Oh my god, is that something sensitive? No, it's not something sensitive. Okay. So you have to remember this down. Okay, so what we learned is that first we have this trade MQH, which is like the include a library, but it's not called as library, it's just called as like vertical. Let's see. It's called as include because include. Okay, that's C language. You have a handle, and basically what a handle does, you can use the predefined function of MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence, and I. What does I means? Indicator. So okay, this is what you should have put in, which is the average, which is what a MACD should be, and you use it as a price close. Use the bars total. So bars total, okay, we'll find the total bars. But let's focus on what handle does. Basically handle, you have IMACD and this IMACD. Let's just do this. It will output actually two variables. So if you see here, this is your input, and at the output we'll have the main line and the signal line. So the main line and the signal line, let's see, MACD, main line and signal line. There is the main line, which is this one. And so you can see histogram decreasing when there is convergence of this. Okay. Okay, yeah. So we have the main line and signal line. We can use the copy buffer and the main line, which is 0. You can use 0 or you can use main line. Same as signal line. You can put it as 1 or you can put it as signal line. And what does this 1, 2 mean? Which is the position. So you have like 2 main lines and 2 signal lines, which the position, let's see. Start position is 1 and you have 2 and this one is signal, so basically the graph was, let's just, okay, first is this, like, okay, let's assume like we went to the most in front, like if the move in front is here, like just imagine this as nothing, like that here, there's nothing here, okay? Then here will be 1. If I'm not mistaken, then this is 0. So 1 and 0. And we'll take 1 as the starting position, and then 0 as the previous candle. Okay. So we'll have 2 because we just only want 2. We can have 3. Like if we put it as 3, it will be 1. No, it will be 2, 1, and 0. I think it's like this. If not, then that's my fault. So the MACD of the, let's see, the logic behind this. The logic is that this MACD line and this signal line, we'll know that when we will buy what the hell? To have a buy signal is roughly this. So when we hit this, it's a buy signal. And so we'll see the first MACD. The first MACD will be higher than the signal line, which is this part, while the previous MACD, which is this left side here, will be lower than the signal line. If both of these are true, then we'll know that there's a crossover. So this is a buy signal. And when the MACD of the first is lower than the signal line, and the previous one of the MACD is higher than the signal line, then this is a sell signal. You can see here, okay? So basically, we have this handle and bars total. And for bars total, it's because we need to know, like every bar, we don't buy at every tick, you know what I mean? So to not buy at every tick, we do this. And also for this one, right, is to prevent us from buying like 2 things at once, or buying 2 and forget to close them. So that we only have only one open position. Okay. So this bars total equals to bars. This is when the bars is higher than the bars total. The MACD, yeah, this one is just now I said one, buffer MACD, and then like this. Then we will see, like, once we know it's a buy order, we'll see whether the position is open, whether there's an open position, and we see whether the type of the position is a buy, no, a sell position. So if it's a sell position, we'll close the position and we say sell position closed. Because, like, let's say this is a buy position. Let's say this is a buy position. You will buy the same thing when you buy again, which doesn't make sense. Like, why would you buy 50? Like, let's say you use $50 to buy the stock, and then you just close the position and you buy again $50. That doesn't make sense. So you only close the position when the position is a sell position. So if the sell position, close the sell position, post ticket equals 0, or if it has reached take profit and stop loss, post ticket equals 0, and if post ticket equals 0 or less than 0, then we will execute the buy like this, like so, and then else if this is the sell, this is if it's sell, then it's like this. That's good, that's good. It should be like this. Is my why every time when I go back to my screen, like my eyes are just half closed? Yeah, like that. My eyes are not half closed. And why does it keeps saying, it keeps showing that my eyes are half closed, but it's not. Like my eyes are not that small. Like my eyes are really not that small, okay? It's really not that small. If position taken is less than equals to 0, then we will execute the sell order. It's basically the same, right? It's basically the buy and sell is basically the same, but for sell, you usually use the bid price because the bid price is the highest the amount of the people that is willing to buy, and it makes more sense to anchor using bid than to use it as ask. And then this comment, yeah, this comment is just, it's just a comment, bro. And this comment, it doesn't really do anything. Like you can see here, right? Like when I include this, it doesn't even include, like it doesn't do anything on top of here. You know what I mean? Which is a very sad. Oh, I can do this. That's crazy. Anyways, yeah. Let's look. Let's look one more time. Like we will look one more time, and then wait. How long is this stream now? Oh my god. I need to like, I don't know how to use this stream. So what the hell, me? How long is this stream already? What the hell? This stream is so freaking long. This stream is so freaking long. On top of here. You know what I mean? Yo, the future me. No, I mean the past of me. Yo, the past me is going to here and pressing back for the sixth time already. What the hell? What the hell? This stream is so freaking long. This stream. Yo, that's crazy. Okay. That is crazy. Let's look at this one more time. There's this trade, there is C trade. The post ticket is U long. On init, we will have the handles and bars total. And on tick, we will check whether the bars is more than bars of total. And we have to make this as the I bars, which is the indicator of the bars. We have the MACD signal, and we have this, which is the buy, and this one is the close. No. This is the close. We will check whether it's an open position, and we will buy once the post ticket is less than equals to 0. And then here, it is the same thing, and that's it. Close. Oh wait, no, not close like that. Like we have to close this, but we have to have the on init to still survive, you know. Okay, like this. And let's try to remember what it did. So basically, we have the, let's write the include trade.mqh first, and ctrade trade. And this C trade here, it must be, what the fuck? I really don't know the syntax. No, don't tell me I forgot the syntax. No way. It's like this. It's definitely like this. Right. It's definitely like that. You must be joking me. Yeah, it's like that. Okay. We will have the unsigned long of what? What does unsigned long do? Oh shit. Am I in tutorial hell or something? I might be in tutorial hell. Unsigned long bars, right? Do I have to really see back? Unsigned long post ticket. Really? Oh my god. But what is post ticket? It's the position of the ticket. We also have the int. We have the handle. Is it integer or is it? It might not be integer. It might not be integer. Oh, it's really integer. Okay, then we have bars total. So at here, we initialize the handle equals to I MACD, and symbol name is just symbol, period current, pass EMA. If you want to know, you can just go here, like here. So pass is chop, slow is 26. Pass is chop, slow is 26, and the signal period is 9. Okay. The applied price or handle. What is this? Wait, what is this again? Do we even need this? I think you just really we just put it as none, right? I don't think that's, oh my god. Oh really? Price close. Oh shit, I'm stupid. I'm actually stupid. I am actually stupid. I bars. Symbol. Wait. Let's see the MACD again. The input of the MACD is enum time frame, which is period. Okay, so on tick, we have the MACD, and we have signal. Okay, so MACD will equals to the copy buffer, indicator handle. Then we technically don't need this. So handle buffer num. What does buffer num mean? But I know the start position is 1 and this is 2 and this is MACD. Okay. But what is, let's see, copy buffer. Copy buffer, the buffer num. Let's see an example of usage. Copy buffer. Zero. In here, is it really 0? No, it is the signal line. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so stupid. Like the moment I cannot see any code, you know, the moment I can see the code, I really don't know how to code any shit. I really cannot do any shit. Mainline and the signal line. Oh shit. Okay. Signal line. Bro. Signal line. 1, 2. Signal. Okay. So let's do this. If let's go back and see this graph. So if the main line, the MACD of 1 is greater, the MACD of a 1 is greater than the signal 1, and then the MACD of a 0 is less than the signal of a 0. Okay, then this print, I don't know why function. I don't know why they do that. Cell position. No, 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 no. This is a by position. And else if the same thing, but it's the opposite. So like this. And MACD 0 greater than signal 0. Then print function cell signal. And then we have to do here the bars int bars equals to I bars here, then symbol, and then the enum time frame is this one. Then we have an if of bars is greater than the bars total, then wrap around this whole thing, not like the most stupid person I am that is just now that I forgot this shit. Okay, we have this. Okay, so now we have to check at here. If it's a buy position, we need to check whether this position, like we have to check whether this position is correct. Pos ticket greater than 0 and the what is the shit get position gets ticket of post ticket. Okay, if there is a position, there is an open position. Is it really that position select by ticket? Position select. Like how are you supposed to remember this? How are you supposed to remember this? Next is if the position type equals to position type cell. So if it's a cell position, then so if it's open position and if it's cell position, then we will close read dot close. No, I don't know what the fuck is the name of the function. Read dot position close. How do I remember? You see, how will I remember this shit? The problem is, how will I remember this shit? How will I remember this shit? How will I remember this shit? That's the problem. You know, that's the problem. Like, how am I supposed to remember this shit? Pause ticket equals 0. And then this is here. I need another if. Like, I need to make it if the pause ticket is less than or equals to 0, then we actually buy. Then we have double of, okay, if we buy, if we buy we will use the ask price, because the ask price is the lowest price that a seller is willing to sell, and we'll buy at those. Yeah. Okay, so double ask equals to get bid, no bid, no ask, no. What is the fucking function for this shit? Oh my god. This. Really? And yeah, this one I just made wrong. Position get integer. Really? 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 Like, you know, the word is really? Okay. The double of ask. Really? I just forgot. instantly. I just instantly forgot when I closed it. And now I don't even know. Then now I have to see back again, which I really don't want to see back again. But I have no choice. System info double. Oh. Wait. No, isn't? No, it's symbol info double. Wow, how can I remember this shit? Like, tell me, how can I remember this shit? How can I remember this shit? We have simple name, enum info double, property ID. Thank you. I don't fucking know how to use this. And it seems like it's memorization. It feels like it's memorization. Not gonna lie. It feels like it's memorization. Double TP equals to ask. So ask price. So let's say if you buy, which this one is a buy position, right? Let's say if you buy, if the price gets higher, you get more money. So take profit should be the ask. Ask price is the highest price. No, it's the lowest price. Yeah, because you want to buy. You buy at the ask price. You know, you buy at the ask price. So the take profit must be anchored at the ask price. Thank you, sticky keys. I didn't even spam the shift button, but thank you anyways. Yeah, this should be plus. So 100 multiplied by the point. Right. 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 And now, if trade dot buy, yo, this is the moment I've been waiting for. This is the volume stream wall. This is the moment I've been waiting for. What is the price? Wait a second. What is the price? What is the price? 0? Do we really use 0? I think so. The pause ticket will equals to read the dot, get a result. It's something result, I guess. Result order. I think it's result order. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck, man. Ugh. Yo. Let's do this. Okay. Oh my god, what's happening? Wait, what is happening? Here. Okay. This one. Position type buy. And I think that is done, right? Position has closed. Pause ticket. Okay. Position has closed. This is symbol bid. Symbol bid. And this is bid. And this is bid. And this is bid. And this is sell. And stop loss take profit. Okay. And isn't it just like this? No way. No way. No way there is this parenthesis problem again. No way. I refuse to believe this thing exists, my guy. It's like this. Oh, no way. No way. I hate this. I hate this a lot. Let's see what the fuck I did wrongly. Because I think it works correctly. Like, in my mind. Like, I don't include this comment. If I want to include the comment, I can. Like, I can just bam. Yeah, like that. Okay. Let's see what the hell is the problem. We have this include. We have bars and handle. We have this. We have post ticket. We have the handles and bars total. And our inputs are correct. Let's go. Let's go. On tick, we have I bars, which is per repeat. Okay. We have this one. I forgot to do this. Okay. And this should be double. Nice. I am so stupid. I keep wanting to do integer and I forgotten that it should be a double. Okay, this is correct. This is all correct. Nice. So where the hell did I do wrong when I try to retype without the tutorial? Something is wrong. I don't understand what is this function meaning, but the guy just write this and I think I'm just gonna follow that, you know? Yes, it's just like this. Okay, this, okay, we have this, okay. Everything is okay, you know, everything is correct. Which is extremely weird. Don't get me wrong, it's extremely weird. Like, it's extremely weird. Okay, it's extremely weird. Because it means it's correct. You know? It means. Oh, yeah, this is inverted. Okay. It means it is correct. Ah. I think I have found the culprit, which is right here. So the culprit this have 3. And then here. Wait a second. Why? Wait a second. Yeah. There should be 1 right here. And like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm fucking genius. Oh my god. I am a fucking genius. I am a fucking genius. Let's make this to 50. And let's make this. Yeah, 100 is okay. And let's make this to also 50. This is amazing. I have successfully written like one of this code like by myself. Technically it's not by myself. Technically it's not. But still, man. But still, it's amazing. Let's see how it works. And it's losing all my cash. What a nice result. What a nice result. I have successfully destroyed my earnings. What an amazing stupid shit. You fucking asshole. Anyways, let us try add other shits like this and let us see how it works. And it's losing a lot of fucking shit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't want to see this anymore and I want to cry. Thank you very much. What is this? Let us try this one. Thank you for that shit. What is that, my guy? What is that? That must be some kind of error. Let's try the ERGPY. Oh my god, it's also losing money. This is why the MACD is kind of shit. Let us make this to 0. And let us see what is the result. Because I see that this one is not bad. Let's excuse me. Oh my god. Wow, it's fucking unable to do shit. It's unable to do shit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's unable to do shit. It's unable to do jack shit. Thank you fucking much. Let us try H-Chop, shall we? Let us try H-Chop and let us see what happens. Yo, let's go. No, no, no. Stupid asshole. Okay. What does this conclude? This concludes that the moving average convergence divergence is fucking useless. It concludes that this moving average convergence divergence is useless when you backtest. Like when you use these to backtest, it's useless because it's too bad when there is like when there is like a lot of noise or not a very strong trend. So you must find the correct timing to use the MACD. But the problem is you don't know when is the right time. So this means that the MACD is not good. If you just purely based on MACD. Oh my god. Shut the fuck up, you bullish confirmation. You're fake. You're fucking fake. You're fucking fake, my guy. Einige Weise. This is all. I am very tired and I want to sleep and I want to cry in my bed. Stop it with all of this shit. There's a C. My breaking stream. Einige Weise. This is all. Wow. I am very tired and I want to sleep. The eyes. I want to cry in my bed. The eyes. Stop it with all of this shit. Oh my god, that eye. That eyeball, bro. Okay, time to stop. Goodbye.